Hello, my name is Ainumai Sarah binti Nastafian, matric number 273902, and I will be presenting executive summary. A business plan is a fundamental document that any startup business needs to have in place prior to beginning operations. Business model canvas also plays a major part in making a business plan. Our company is called Scrummy Bites and we sell brownie chips that comes with three different flavors, which is chocolate chip, mint and walnut. For this business to work, we have advertised our products online through social medias and our website so we can reach a wider market. Our company was founded in 2021 and our aim is to grow bigger and make our products a world-famous local product. Our company plans to create a powerful market position and aims to offer its product at a competitive price to meet the demand of the middle to higher income local market area residents and tourists. Our company intends to further strengthen the Scummy Bites brand by entering overseas market to meet demand in Indonesia, Singapore, and Brunei, to distribute the product in the future, to provide a wide variety of high-quality snacks to snack lovers, and to discover a new target market through continuing operation.
Hello everyone. For the industry and opportunity, as we all know, Scrummy Bite is a food organization that provides snack foods, which become as a small portion of food in meal to people who are habitual convenient for food consumers. So the consistent purchase from customers in this industry is very important, and the positive brand experiences towards customer that leads to brand loyalty and repeated orders from customers. And current situation of COVID-19 that made people are staying home, and the accessibility to online shopping increases nowadays, and the consuming of convenient food in market increases also. For the implementation and operation strategy, the effective pricing, promoting, and distribution strategies are applied. For the attributes of brownies such as thin and crispy, different flavors such as mint, walnut, and chocolate chips are attract the customers and also the investors. Our product is emphasizing on product quality with convenient price, and packaging and delivery system that lead to great reach and demand, and online website and social media accounts such as Krami Bytes, Instagram account, and Facebook account, and that may reach many customers from far states, and it accelerates the selling process within less time and promotional cost. And the sales strategies such as great bonding between the customers and company, and we give discounts and promotions for the customers, and the social media contribution in our product to promote them, and the customers feedback such as customers satisfied or not with our product, and quality of the food product is always been developed, and the company employees such as the cooperative working environment for workers, and the recognition and rewards for the achievement that may boost the business performance.
So I'm going to explain about our business. So for the introduction of our business is Scrummy, which is a partnership that is formed between 11 independent entrepreneurs. So we decide on forming a small online business that sells a brownie chip snack. So this is the logo that we designed for our business, the Scrummy Bites. Product or services. At Scrummy Bites, we are selling the brownies chip snack, and they are basically brownies that are made into thin chip slices that are easily consumable. The flavors we are providing right now are the chocolate chip, walnut, and mint. There are 80 grams per pack, which approximately contain 50 to 60 pieces per pack. For the packaging, there are average size pack that has a zip seal. And for the price for a packet of our brownie chip is around RM12 ringgit, the current status. So for our newly startup business, the Scrummy Bite is a small online business founded by the 11 individuals entrepreneurs, and we sell the brownie chip of TFN Brownie, which is a product originally produced by TFN Success Group Sendirian Berhad in Puchong Selangor for funding soon. We have collected startup capital of RM660 ringgit in total of our business. As the business is a partnership formed by 11 individuals, so each of us have invested RM60 ringgit towards our business capital.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to Doctor. Next slide, I will presenting about market planning. The first page is our target market selection. In order to determine our target market, we decided to conduct a survey by distributing a few questionnaires. The questionnaire is about age, market needs, and market trends. And our main target age is 50 until 30 years old. And we are focused on young adult age group, either student or working people. And the next slide is according to the data that we collect from the survey. 80% age range is between 50 until 30 years old, which equal 32 of our 40 respondents. And the next is 12.5% are from 31 until 50 years old. And then the last one is 7.5% are 51 and older. And the next is our market needs, which are the following aspects are most important to cater the market needs. So we asked in our survey, 30% of respondents vote for both aspects. We decided to promote our product through online, and the advantage of ease of use as it convenient and user friendly of our product. And then the market trend is we are also has surveyed the market need to see the most preferred snacks, and the result is 60% is prefer unique snack, 30% prefer snack, 5% prefer pastry, and we have picked unique snack as our brownie chip.
The next one is sales promotion mix and strategies. Promotion strategy. For promotion strategy, we chose social media platforms such as Instagram and WhatsApp. Social media platform is the most suitable to promote and advertise small businesses like ours. We also created a website called Wix, which contains information of products and business. The next is distribution strategy. Under this strategy, we use three strategies. The first one is personal selling, which is very effective and gives space to seller to interact with consumers. Using this strategy, seller can sell to close family members. Next one is advertising. This is a non-personal promotion strategy. Advertising is a vital tool for every business, and we use platforms such as Instagram and WhatsApp. The third one is direct marketing, where we use one-to-one communication between seller and customers. Also, seller can explain about products. Pricing strategy we use is using reasonable price, which is a price follower, where we sell our products for cheap price so can compete with outside companies. There are three flavors, which is chocolate chip, walnut, mint, with a net weight of 80 grams, and the price is 12 ringgit per pack. Following is product strategy. TFN Brownies product strategy is to provide products that use high quality ingredients. We prioritize the community among teenagers, adults, which following the current needs. We also sell guaranteed halal products to Muslims consumers. Within 3 months, we managed to sell 60 packets of brownies.
4.0 Management and Organizational Plan. 4.1 Organization Structure. This is the Scrummy Bytes organizational structure. And 4.2 Management Team. A group of employees that includes I, senior manager, and leader in company who decide on the strategy and manages the operation of the business together is management team. Each person have their responsibility according to their skills and educational levels. There are a lot of roles and responsibilities. Number one is president, who is responsible to facilitate and guide company operation to ensure the company. And number two is accounting manager, who is responsible such as managing and overseeing the daily operation in accounting department. Number three is sales manager, who is responsibilities of managing the organizational sales by developing a business plan. Number four is marketing manager, who is responsible of managing the promotional and positioning of the product, attract more customers to buy products. And the last one is office manager, who organize meeting and all database and oversees the staff member job, receiving any visitors and handles company task.
For our operational plans, in Scrummy Pipe, which is the small business online, which is we sells brownies chip with 3 different flavor: chocolate chip, mint, and walnut. So as we as the online business, so we promote our product in online. For operational expense, we decide to use our model. So one of us have to invest RM60 ringgit, and then we have collected on RM660 ringgit. For operational flowchart, we have 7-step flowchart that we use to set up our business. So first is the purchase product from supplier. Second is the sales department acquires product. Third is to promote the product on our social media accounts. Next, order submitted by customer. Next, confirm payment with customer. Next, coordinate orders by customer. Lastly, deliver the order to customer.
My name is Noor Islam Tabhali, Masuk number 273903. I want to talk about financial plan. Financial plan is an overview of the business current financial and the estimation for growth in the future. It helps the business to set realistic expectation in regarding the business financial objective. The first one is source of fund. When you start up business, you have fund to build your business. For Scrummy Bar is a small business, each of the 11 partners have invested RM60 ringgit. It comes to a total RM660 ringgit to help fund the business. Second is business expenses. Business expenses are the costs incurred in the business in order for to operate. All business expenses include startup expenses and operating expenses. Then, startup expenses, we have 3 flavors: chocolate chip, walnut, and mint. Quantity for each flavor is 20 pack. Cost per pack is 9 ringgit 7 cents. Total cost is 181 ringgit 40 cents. Total amount for 3 flavor is 544 ringgit 20 cents. For operating expenses, first one is utilities, 5 ringgit in April, 5 ringgit also in May. Second, delivery, 20 ringgit in April, 25 ringgit in May. Total operating expenses in April, 25 ringgit, in May, 30 ringgit.
Here is our profit and loss statement from April to May. We took our total sales minus cost of goods sold to get our gross profit and minus operating expenses to get our net profit. So for April, our net profit is 57 ringgit and 4 cents, and in May, our net profit is 63 ringgit and 76 cents. Our cash flow statement. At the beginning of April, we have 115 ringgit and 80 cents of cash. Total cash in was 336 ringgit and total cash out was 25 ringgit. We deducted cash out from cash in and got total cash flow for April of 311 ringgit. This makes our total closing balance for April to be 426 ringgit and 80 cents. At the beginning of May, we have 426 ringgit and 80 cents of cash. We have cash inflow of 384 ringgit from our sales income and cash outflow of 30 ringgit from operating expenses, which makes our total cash flow to be 354 ringgit. This makes our closing balance to total to 780 ringgit and 80 cents. This is our balance sheet as of 31st May. Under current asset, we have cash in hand of 780 ringgit and 80 cents, and under equity, we have capital of 660 ringgit, which makes the accumulated profit of our business to be 120 ringgit and 80 cents.
This is our business model canvas. Okay, for key partners, we got supplier from Shopee, social media platform, and investors. Key activity, we develop and maintain social media accounts, marketing, advertising, and deliver the products. Key resources, financial capital, human resources, delivery, transportation, and brand. Okay, for value proposition, high quality snack, and it have variety of flavors, convenient and user-friendly, and affordable. Customer relationship, we update on social media and website and deliver to the customer in person. Okay, channel, we use website width and social media. And next, customer segment, customer age around 15 to 30 years old and snack lovers. Cost structure, purchasing cost, delivery cost, operation cost, and revenue stream, sales from customer. Okay, next is conclusion. Okay, to conclude, a group 11 in individual entrepreneurs start a partnership to open a small online business in order to cater to the consumer of Malaysia whose citizens are mostly staying at home due to COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, follow a market research that we have done. We decide to sell brownie chips. And next, the management team work together throughout the business operation in order to achieve our goals for 2 months while also striving to achieve our mission and vision. After 2 months of operation, our accumulated profit has totaled up to 120 ringgit and 80 cents from selling existing packs of brownie chips through online promotion and strategy that was done according to our plan. That's all from me. Thank you.
We're moving to add the report. Social media. The first one is Instagram. Our business decided to start promoting the business through Instagram. And here's the overview product from our Instagram. And here's the insight of our Instagram that we can see how many people that already reach our account and our content. And by using Wix.com as the platform for our business website, there are a lot of advantage which can help us to promoting our product worldwide by using the domain of our website. And here's the overview from the website. We can see the products and the background of our business. And the next one is the promotion. Here's the sample of our business teaser. Here arrive your crunchy and delicious brownies. Grab yours and taste it today. TFN brownie, more crunch, more delicious. The next one is the hard sell. Scrummy bites with caption, our tagline, and also the picture of the product. 12 ringgit, grab yours now. And for the soft sell, do you feel stressed working or studying at home during COVID-19? Or do you feel like you want to choose something? Scrummy Bites wants to offer you a snack that will keep you chewing it. So, thank you for your attention.